Good morning, traders. It's my joy and pleasure being here with you on this magnificent Monday, December 7th. This is Alpha Fibonacci System in front of you for the last week. System identified bullish trend inception many hours and many days in advance. System identified that this would be critical resistance many days in advance as well. Everyone seeing this? System identified this is a reversal zone, not the place to enter into, days in advance. Few hours prior to the market open, we had ultimate buy point that came from Alpha Fibonacci support. So if you're looking at this chart and you understand that institutions buying every single pullback, what is it that here for you to do right now? Tell me. Nothing. You are not in front of the screen. You are not babysitting this junk. Bullish rally overextended. This is broker's heaven. Bullish rally is stuck. So if you're touching this junk, you're paying for your broker's vacation, not your own. Software spelled out, it's a brick wall. It's resistance. Intelligent trader never enters into. Correct? Intelligent trader trades from Alpha Fibonacci levels. So when you're looking at this support in front of you and you're looking at worthless sellers, what is your option? Run as far as you can. Nothing here to do. So if you're touching and trading broker's heaven, if you're looking at this junk, you have a lot more to do. As we already discussed every single thing with my incredible traders this morning, all spectacular, incredible, amazing trades already played out. This is my discussion with students this morning. Everyone is done. No one trading junk. No one wasting time. No one stares at the screen for hours. There is zero need. All incredible traders are done. These traders cannot wait to go into class. This is the reason. This is the junk in front of you on this chart. Price showing you this is support, do not short. This is your trading range. This is untradeable. If you do not understand that, you have a lot more to learn. And it doesn't matter what you trade. It doesn't matter if it's Amazon, if it's pound, if it's oil. Students trade it all. This is Amazon. Amazon been stuck because price extremely high. This is junk. When overextended bullish rally is stuck in chop, what is your option? Run. Do not trade broker's heaven. Do not pay for your broker's vacation. Do not stare at the chart for hours. Let me ask my incredible traders, how many hours a week do you trade? Could you please share? During these horrific markets, could you please post average time you trade? Not learn but trade, while I'm showing and explaining what intelligent trader understands. This is overextended institutional rally. Institutions holding their longs. Institutions not doing anything. Simply enjoying the biggest profits of 40 years. This is what market looked like before crisis with Alpha Fibonacci system. Let me remind you the difference. Why there was a lot to do here when institutions acquired positions. A lot to do here, a lot to do here when you entering positions with institutions. This is very few gems in this market. Here's S&P for the last year and how Alpha Fibonacci system identified this institutional buy point. Here's S&P at the end of 2019. Bullish rally reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Intelligent trader understands this is where price will collapse from 80+%. Intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader knows what identifies sell-off versus worthless correction, what to pay attention to. So when S&P goes into free fall, there is no surprise, all precise. What do you see to the downside many months ahead when you're witnessing institutions buying on the way down? This is what you know with the power of the system. This is critical level 2200, 2100 support. March 23rd, news is blaring, world is ending, market in free fall, Black Thursday is on. On the chart, we are seeing very different image. On the chart, we are seeing institutions taking long. This is where your micro account riding Goldman bullish train. Intelligent trader knows top 1% owns the news. How is it possible top 1% buying the market when news is blaring, world is ending? Catch and kill. Bait is on. Poor little retail investor in panic, losing their sleep. Black Thursday is very, very happy day for top 1%. That's buying ultimate bottom. And that's where rally starts from. On that Black Thursday, March 23rd. So when bullish rally picking up this team, every single day, day trader has so many trades, 20, 30, 50, 100, 200, hundreds of trades, all depends the instrument you trade. Many months in advance, you know where reversals all will be when bullish rally picking up this team. And when bullish rally reaches reversal zone, Alpha Fibonacci trader knows clearly 2900 holding the key. Market not selling off, market picking up this team. It's your last critical buy point. There is no surprise, all precise. No sell-off here. Institutions enjoying the profits. Bullish rally taking another pause. We're watching support of 3200 since months of June. No one touching shorts. Everyone riding JP Morgan, BlackRock, Goldman train. Only longs remain. And when institutions continue adding to their longs, intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader does the same. This is the rally of 2020. This is a stunning reminder. Only if you think as top 1% does, you will become successful. Only if you turn off the gossip, the panic, the nightmare, you will understand. You become successful when you stop doing what majority does. Top 1% enjoying the biggest profits of 40 years. This is not the easy market, is it? Goldman traders work very, very little. Market does this 90% of the time. Your only option to buy high. So when the software giving you alert, what do you must understand? This is not a conservative trade, is it? This is a trade that's extremely high. Your conservative trade was in very different place. It was here, 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 here. Last one here. Buying historical high will never be conservative, will it? And that's the market this morning. Bullish crawl is on. When it comes to day trading, this was the best place to be on November 29. This is not. This is pain. The last conservative place to be with overextended institutional rally was here. Let me convert this chart to 5 so you can see. This is your stunning and flawless reminder of Alpha Fibonacci system. Do not buy into reversals on pretty please. Do not hurt yourself. Always buy at support. Now run as far as you can. If price is not collapsing to support, nothing here to do. You staring at this. You're paying for your broker's vacation, not your own. So Jason reports trading 4 hours per week. Brad reporting less than an hour a day. Boom. They understand what price is telling them, no matter what you trade. So here's a post from students from the month of March. Look at that. Every day, different trade. Here's Marco. In the middle of crisis in Italy, killing it, becoming professional trader. This means the world. You decide what you want to trade while being sick. 40 points, counter trend trade. Approved to trade with 1 up. This is someone else's capital. Marco became a hedge fund trader while being sick in Italy. Jay in Hong Kong killing it on S&P. And this is the power of the system from my incredible students. During the worst time, during March, this is key. So incomplete beginner Pablo, who never pushed the button on his computer, killing it in the markets, with stop-step trader, trading S&P and gold. What is stopping you? Do you understand that? Pretty please? This is March. This is Black Thursday. Anyone see anything negative? Students killing it in the market, non-stop. It never gets old. Every trader, different account. Every trader, different instrument. These are the traders I mentor, I raise. Now, it's a very different market. Correct? These are the traders who are on vacation. Jordan reporting trading on average 2 hours a day. That's 8 hours per week. Richard, very few hours per week trading, practice 4 hours. No one touches this junk. No one. But it's exact same thing on Amazon. So if you decide to trade Bitcoin or stocks or options, of course you can. But whatever plays out on one instrument plays out on them all. And if you're looking on sell-off on gold and where gold had found support, well, Bill trades gold. This is March 23rd. Thousands and thousands of emails later, it never gets sold. This is Alpha Fibonacci System with a couple of traders. Since last year on S&P mini futures, on gold and Amazon. Gold found buyers last week. Anyone surprised? Should not be. Let me remind you what gold looked like before. Shall we? So here's a bullish rally on gold, ladies and gentlemen. In the middle of 2020. And when gold reaches Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, no one should be surprised. 2000 expect sell-off. Have you been buying near? Oops, not a good idea. My students know that. They also know critical Alpha Fibonacci support. And that's gold in the last year. So day trading not your cup of tea, use everything for long-term position. So at least 30% of students are hedge fund trader, hedge fund managers. So Joseph, hedge fund manager, been taking long position on gold. Could you remind us, when did you enter gold? Took delivery as well. Also took long position on silver. Phenomenal, phenomenal work. Everyone clear on this? Not into reversal zone. Nothing happening on S&P right now. This is broker's heaven. This is where your success starts from. When you stop babysitting junk, when you start operating as sniper. Because if institutions continue holding their longs and doing absolutely nothing, so should you. That's the power of the system. You operate as a sniper, not as trigger-happy cowboy. So incredible mom of two little babies can do this during crisis. What is stopping you? This is all you will ever need, nothing else. Because when 14-year-old boy can do this, so can you. Dominic knows what he will do. At the age of 14, his father, hedge fund manager in Europe, in London, tripled his account. I live and breathe what I do. All I'm asking you, make an effort, because if these traders from 14 to 100, from beginner to hedge fund manager can do this, so can you. It all will start when you stop losing money, when you stop losing your mind, when you stop staring at the screen, when you stop chasing cheap system, cheap junk, cheap indicators. Goldman Sachs traders, whom I mentor, do not do that. So why in the world do you? Tell me. It is that simple. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. And that remains the key. And that remains the power system. So when hedge fund manager sharing, we bought gold 1525 on your chart. Boom. That's spectacular profits. To 2000. Joseph been with me for the last 5 years. I work with hedge funds globally from 50 million to billions and billions of dollars. They're using exact same system I teach to beginner traders. Joseph is not day trading. Joseph is not Dominic. He's holding position for months. And that's the power of the system now. That's the key. Choice is yours. What you want to trade. And that's where your success starts from. Not babysitting junk, not wasting your time, not losing your money, not chasing junky indicators, junky unproven systems. This is proven system with community of traders globally in 57 countries. So when you join us, it will be one of the smartest things you have ever done in your life. Traders who make an effort become my dearest friends for life. 2021, I'm traveling the world, meeting students all over the world. From US to UK to Europe to Asia to Middle East. So please, listen to podcasts, view students' performance. Because I look forward receiving your email. Thousands and thousands of emails from traders globally. If they can do this, so can you. The sky's the limit. If you make an effort and obey Alpha Fibonacci rules. A lot of exciting new changes coming to my students who will be privileged to the latest and greatest. So sooner you will sign up, more privileged you will be to join the community of incredible traders. Now you still have opportunity to take advantage of the lowest price ever, savings up to $3,000 for each package. This is lifetime system for any platform or with software for Ninja 8. Group course 3 months, you can continue with extended graduate education. Private mentoring 4 months. 99.9% of my private mentoring students finish within maximum 2 months. I teach you multi-million dollar trade to the tick. Exact same trade I taught to JP Morgan trader who left JP Morgan and started his own hedge fund. And when I'm done working with Saudi hedge fund that begging me to stop teaching and concentrating only on their fund, you will not be left behind. A lot of changes. 2021. This may be last time I will be teaching online. So sooner you sign up, more ahead of the rest you will be. Any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. A whole lot more junk remains. We knew this before it happened. And that's the key, as Joseph says. Buying at institutional support cannot be equaled. This is the absolute best strategy. Thank you, Joseph. Joseph knows the power of Alpha Fibonacci system. So if hedge fund managers globally trading the system and you're running your little micro account of your little few thousand, all you have to do, obey the rules. Because global community telling you and showing you there can be no doubts. This means the world. Joseph and I worked for the last 5 years. You decide what you want to trade. Is it S&P? Is it micro? Is it Dow? Is it NQ? Is it silver? Is it copper? Is it Bitcoin? Is it gold? Is it options? Is it stocks? Is it Forex? Is it Saudi instruments I've never heard of course. Method traded globally, all over the world. And it starts with this. Do not ever touch junk in the markets nowadays 90+% of the time. So if institutions continue holding longs, more and more challenging markets ahead. But if you placed more than 2% shorts on your account since March 23rd, you have a lot to learn. And this is the power of the system since 2019. Sooner you sign up, more privileged you will be. Thank you, traders, for another incredible day, for another stunning reminder of the power of the system. We knew extremely well this is not the place to short. We knew extremely well buyers remain in charge. We knew extremely well Goldman continue holding longs. That's it. Nothing else will ever come close. Ultimate simplicity, ultimate precision, ultimate power of system traded globally from small to institutional size account. But this is your ultimate starting point. This morning was a proven reminder. Only when you know when not to waste time, when not to lose money, when not to stare at the screen, you will become successful. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci system. Thank you, traders. so much. We're out. We're off to class with my brilliant, positive, incredible community of traders. Being follower will never work. Being top 1%, being leader does. Top 1% does not chase random shady indicators. Top 1% does things differently. That's all I know. I don't know anything else. That's all I mentor. Thank you, traders.